Hi my beautiful family. Back with a solution. Imagine walking into a room full of people, but instead of feeling excited, you're overwhelmed with the urge to leave. Your heart races, your hands get sweaty, and you suddenly can't think of anything to say. You're not alone. According to a study published by the National Institute of Mental Health, nearly 15 million Americans experience social anxiety every year. That's millions of people who share that same sinking feeling in social situations. But here's the good news, you don't have to live like this. Social anxiety can be managed and even overcome with the right strategies. So, let's dive into 8 practical tips to help you take control and feel more confident in social settings. Tip number 1, start small. You don't have to dive into big social events right away. Instead, try short, low-pressure interactions. Say hello to the cashier, ask a simple question in class or at work, or greet a neighbor. These smaller steps will gradually build your confidence, and over time, the fear around socializing will start to fade. The key here is progress, not perfection. Next up, challenge those negative thoughts that often fuel social anxiety. Our brains tend to predict the worst outcomes in social situations. What if they think I'm awkward, or what if I embarrass myself? Here's a pro tip, when these thoughts pop up, question them. Ask yourself, is this a fact, or just my fear talking? Reframing your thinking helps you realize that most of these fears are irrational, and the worst-case scenario is often unlikely to happen. When you feel anxiety rising, your body responds with physical symptoms, your heart races, your breath quickens. That's why controlled breathing is an underrated but powerful tool. Take slow, deep breaths in through your nose for 4 counts, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. This simple practice can help calm your nervous system and slow down the anxiety spiral. Breathing is your body's reset button, don't underestimate its power. Anxiety often tricks us into thinking that everyone is focused on us, scrutinizing our every move. But here's a reality check, most people are too focused on themselves to judge you. Shift the focus away from yourself by being genuinely curious about the people around you. Ask questions, listen to their stories, and show interest. When you're engaged with others, your anxiety will take a back seat because you're no longer trapped in your own head. Preparation can help you feel more in control, but over-preparing can sometimes backfire. While it's useful to have a few conversation starters in mind, don't stress about scripting everything you're going to say. Real conversations are unpredictable, and that's okay. Embrace the flow and trust yourself to respond in the moment. Remember, nobody expects you to be perfect, they just want you to be present. Another important tip is to set realistic goals for yourself. Don't aim to be the life of the party or give a speech in front of hundreds of people right away. Start with more manageable goals, like attending a small gathering or speaking up in a group discussion. Over time, you can build up to more challenging situations. This process gives you a sense of accomplishment without feeling overwhelmed. One of the biggest breakthroughs for social anxiety is realizing that imperfection is okay. We all fumble our words, forget someone's name, or misread social cues now and then. The truth is, those moments are often more forgettable than we think. Embrace the fact that being human means being imperfect, and that's completely normal. People will appreciate your authenticity far more than your ability to be flawless. Last but certainly not least, practice self-compassion. Social anxiety can make you your own worst critic, but it's important to remember to be kind to yourself. Treat yourself the way you treat a close friend who is struggling, with patience, understanding, and encouragement. Overcoming social anxiety is a process, and every step forward, no matter how small, is progress. Social anxiety doesn't have to hold you back. By starting small, challenging your thoughts, and practicing self-compassion, you can take control and start feeling more confident in social situations. These tips won't eliminate anxiety overnight, but with time and practice, they can help you manage it and build the social confidence you deserve. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe must. See you in the next video.